Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to run Android applications on your PC. So, first note that it does not work on iPhones and Apple devices. So, keep that in mind, but it works on Android devices. So, yeah, let's start. So, first, you should go to your Android developer options, which you can enable the developer options by tapping the build number in your system info, like tapping 5 to 6 times. Yeah, depends upon the phone model. So let's start. So it requires Android 5.0. Let me just scroll and show it for you that they mentioned it requires Android 5.0 Lollipop. So I tried with my Android 4 device, which did not work. So let's, and over here is the click on releases, and I'm gonna link this link in description. So, and click on 64-bit, and yeah, I already downloaded this. So yeah, let's open that thing up. I might blur with my Galaxy phone. My PC is taking a while to load. File Explorer, that's how slow it is. Yeah. So, we are going to go to the phone. Downloads. And go to Scrcpy. And this is a zip file, and you can extract this and get this file. So you should extract the zip file and open it up. And first it's gonna show you when you should run this application, and you should plug your phone in. And yeah, so you should plug your phone in. Then after that, the things start to happen, and you'll get a pop-up on your phone. And when you run this application, get a pop-up and click allow. So I'm gonna like blur it with my app, I mean A70. We're gonna run that app right there. Blur it with we'll blur that up. As you can see, you're running Android on your phone. Like you can autofocus, click autofocus, and yeah, I can pause the recording, which I'll do it in 3 2 1 and resume. And the good thing is that you can use your keyboard to type, your computer's keyboard to type things, and you can play games, your phone games, with your keyboard.